My cats are like really wondering what's going on because I have all this stuff around me. Oh, okay. Hi my beautiful stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet, and I hope that you're doing so well today. So for today's video, I have a Goodwill outlet haul, also known as the bins, or the diggers is what my family and I call it. And I went with one of my sisters and my mom yesterday. It was a lot of fun. We went to a new to us location and we have 3 of them in Minnesota, so it was really fun to check out a new one and see what the hype was all about, because I usually go to the one that's closest to me. It's about like 18 minutes away, and this one is about 45 minutes. So it was exciting to try it out and see what they had. So what's cool about the bins is that you never really know what you're going to find. Sometimes you can find designer items. I found Gucci at the bins before, Tory Burch, Burberry, and Free People, and Patagonia, and all that stuff, but I've also found just like mall brands like Aerie and American Eagle. So it's super fun. I like it because you're digging and it's just so much more exciting than looking through the racks. Even though I do love thrifting at a normal thrift store, something about the bins is just really exciting. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. So I am a reseller. I resell on a bunch of platforms from Poshmark to Depop, and I try and list all over the place just so that these clothing items can reach many different people. And I just think it's a fun way to help kind of save the environment, because there's a lot of textile waste alone in the US. If I can try and help out just a little tiny percent and have fun while doing it, then. So starting off, I found these Puma leggings, and they're in really good condition. They're a size large, and they have some cute ruched detailing on the ankles, and I've never found Puma before, I don't think. Confused with how many different brands I've come across over the years, but that's a cute pair of leggings. And this American Eagle Outfitters sweatshirt, and this is just regular American Eagle. Sometimes they have like their amazingly soft line or soft and sexy, but really cute. Has the floral detailing. I saw that first and I was like, let me see what it is. And to me, when I'm at the bins, brand doesn't matter as much, just because if it's cute, I feel like someone out there will like it. This was exciting. It is a boys or girls Patagonia t-shirt, long sleeve, and the only flaw is that it has some like bleach dye happening on the arm, which I think this would look really cool if the person decided to bleach dye the entire thing. I thought, hey, if it's for whoever gets this, like kids grow like that, so it'll be fine if I sell it for a few bucks. Then I found a Lulu's coveted, curated, collected dress, and this is super cute. I think this would be great for a wedding attendee. So looks like this, just needs a good wash. Has the beautiful lace crochet detailing, and it's like above the knee length. Super cute and boho. This is a no-name brand, but it is a like beachy kind of top. It's I don't know if you would call it like terry cloth or what, but super cute. I thought this would be perfect to throw on my Depop. My sister and I both were like, oh my gosh. It is a Spice Girls cropped shirt. This is super cropped. I don't know if it came like this or if someone did it themselves. And this really cute Ralph Lauren. And this, my sister was like, that would be so cute for like when Coachella season or festival season comes around. So I'll list it now, but always perfect for when those things happen once more in the future. I found a Field & Stream men's flannel, and it's a size large. I'm sorry I'm not saying what the sizes are for everything. I completely forget. That's just how my brain works. But it's really cute. It's super thick. I actually found a Timberland flannel, but I gave that to my mom. I just think it's super cute. So I love flannels. It might be hard for me to let this one go. And I found a Natural Life. This is an extra small swing thermal top. Super cute. Natural Life, I didn't know they made clothing. I know that they make like room decor. I have a couple of mugs by them. Really cute stuff. You find it at like Francesca's. So I thought this would be cute to throw into my store because it's pretty boho. And then just a Champion sports bra. Really fun, quick. I love selling athleisure, so it's always fun finding that. I found this really cute boho like handkerchief. I thought this would be either cute around my neck or maybe tied onto a bag or something. This is more of a bread and butter brand for me, which is Pink Victoria's Secret. This is a size medium, color black tank top. Really cute, just needs a quick wash. And a Victoria's Secret little bra, super cute. I think it just needs a wash as well, but I think the white is really pretty and there's like really no flaws as far as I can tell. Then I found this cute Love Your Melon hat, and there's just a little stain on it, so I think I'm gonna hand wash it. I don't know if this is like a little kid's hat or if it's like a adult hat. There's no indicator of that. a mystery, which is more of like a boutique brand. My college town is pretty small and they have a really cute boutique that sells this brand, and it's like $70 in store. So I always find it at the thrift store, but I really rarely pick it up. But if I'm at the bins, I thought I would just try it out. And this is a 2X. I love selling plus size. I feel like there is a lot of cute stuff out there that just needs a new home. So this is one of them, and I can't really show you how cute this is, but it's just like an oversized lightweight jacket. It's nicely lined and it has a cute little collar detailing, so really fun color. I think that's perfect for any season. Another mystery top, and this is a size large, and this I thought was Free People because it's so similar, but it's kind of like a trapeze thermal top. Super cute. This color green is like one of my favorites to wear. And then on TikTok, I've been seeing that bralette made out of like a regular bra trend, and I thought I'd try that out on this one. And I don't even know if this will fit me, but I just thought I would try it out. And it's vintage. I think it'd just be super cute, and it has the liner on the bottom, so perfect. Just need to go ahead and, you know it, throw it in the wash. My sister found this, and I wish that there was the top. I'm sure it was separated or just donated differently, but it's a Victoria's Secret pajama set, and it is gorgeous. Their sets are so pretty, and it has that lace detailing at the bottom. Oh my gosh, I wish that I had the top to it. Victoria's Secret's vintage and like newer pajama sets are always my favorite to wear to bed because they're so comfortable and they're super cute. I found an Athleta tank top, pretty normal, just regular tank top, has that cute little pinched look at the top. This was exciting because I know how expensive these are as a sorority gal. It's a woolly threads pullover. These are like over $100. I got one from my big sister when I was in Delta Zeta because now I graduated, so I'm an alumna. But this is a Gamma Phi Beta from Madison, Wisconsin. I love that little moon on there. But these are super expensive for no reason. And to find one at the bins, I was like, I know that I'm going to try and sell it for a little bit cheaper so that a sorority person out there can have that for their sorority. And then I found a cute little Free People reusable bag, and it looks like someone washed it, but it stretches back to its original size, and I thought I could wrap up a Free People item that I sell in it, and then they get a reusable bag as well. So cute little fun thing. Now on to the last two items. I found these Coach shoes. They are their Natalie snakeskin looking or alligator skin looking little pumps, or I don't even know the difference between like a pump and a heel and all the names, but really good condition. I only get Coach at the bins because it doesn't sell super well for me personally, but I have sold their shoes many times for at least $20, so I think that's a pretty good deal. And the last item is for myself, which is this little kind of wicker looking organizer. And my sister, I was like, do I need this? And she's like, use it for your future house or something. So I thought, I already have a thing for my records, and I don't think a record would really fit in here anyways, but maybe for like books or magazines or something on the side of a couch or a chair, I think this would look really cute, or by a desk or something. So that is everything I got. I am so glad to be back with a Goodwill haul. That felt really good to just share with you all the exciting things I found. And my cats are like staring at me looking at all this clothes. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Shine bright. Bye!